Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to jazz up your spreadsheets and express a little more personality in your work, today's tutorial is just for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to add new fonts in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to give your data some extra flair, making your sheets not only more readable, but also a bit more fun and customized to your style. Let's dive right in. Once you have your Google Sheet open, your first stop is the font menu up at the top of your screen. It's right there on the toolbar, close to where you'd find your text size and bold or italic buttons. Now you'll probably notice that Google Sheets gives you a nice selection of fonts to get started with, everything from the classic Arial to playful options like Comic Sans. But maybe you want something just a bit different to really make your headers stand out or give your project a unique vibe. This is where the magic happens. To access even more font choices, you'll need to click where it says More Fonts at the top of the font drop-down list. If you're not seeing it right away, just click on the font name itself and a menu will drop down. At the very top, you'll see the option that says More Fonts. Give that a click. What you'll see now is a window filled with all sorts of fonts you may have never noticed before. Think of this like Google's font library, all the hidden gems that aren't shown by default in your quick font menu. You can scroll through, or if you have a style in mind, use the search bar to find something specific. You might be after something professional for a report, or maybe something playful for an event plan. Whatever your need, there's probably a font here to match. Take your time to browse. You can check the boxes next to as many fonts as you want to add them to your default list. When you've decided which font or fonts you want to bring into your spreadsheet arsenal, just select them by clicking the names. Then, to confirm your choices, look for the OK button at the bottom of that window and give it a click. This part might take a few moments to process, especially if you're adding several new fonts, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Now comes the fun part. You get to use your new font. Simply click into any cell in your sheet, type the word or phrase you'd like, and then go back up to the font dropdown. You'll now see your newly added fonts right there waiting for you. Just select the font and instantly your text takes on a whole new look. It really is that easy, and you can repeat these steps anytime if you want to explore even more options. So there you have it. Adding new fonts to Google Sheets is a quick way to personalize your data and make your work truly your own. If this tutorial helped you, I'd love it if you give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions, or is there a font you love that I should check out? Leave a comment below. I read every one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.